Alright, let's take a look at number 2 from the derivatives worksheet. So in number 2, we've got f of x equals the ln of x plus 4 plus e to the negative 3x, and we want to take the derivative. So we're going to have a chain rule involved. So first thing we have 1 over everything on the inside. Alright, that's the derivative of the outside evaluated at the inside. Then we're going to have to multiply by the derivative of the inside. So the derivative of the inside, derivative of x is 1. The derivative of 4 is 0. And then the derivative of e to the x is actually another chain rule. So we have e to the negative 3x times negative 3. Alright, derivative of the outside is the e to the x. Evaluated at the inside, that's the negative 3x, times the derivative of the inside, that's the negative 3. Now if I push this together, I've got 1 plus e to the negative 3x times negative 3 all over x plus 4 plus e to the negative 3x. So if I plug in 0 to find f prime of 0 as asked, that's going to be a 1 plus e to the 0 times negative 3 over 0 plus 4 plus e to the 0. E to the 0 is 1, so I have 1 minus 3 on the top, which is a negative 2. And I've got 4 plus 1, which is 5 on the bottom. So it's negative 2/5, which is A. Alright, so that's number 2. So we had two chain rules in there. We had a chain rule for the ln, and then we had a chain rule for the e to the. Alright, so if I go to number 4, the next one, this is a product rule with a chain rule in it, and the chain rule has 2 layers. Alright, so in number 4, first thing we've got is the outside, so we're going to have first derivative of second, so I'm going to take a few steps here. Alright, plus second derivative of first. Okay, so now we want to clean this up as much as we can. So what I noticed right away on this one is that I have this expression right here that can actually reduce for me. So in both of these spots, I'm going to clean that up with some Algebra 2 pre-calc. And that's really going to be the derivative of just an x squared. Alright, and that's just going to reduce to an x squared there. Alright, so now if I go ahead and evaluate these, derivative of x squared is 2x. So I have 2x times x, which is 2x squared. And then I have x squared times the derivative of x, which is 1. So I have plus x squared. That's going to be a 3x squared, which is c. Alright, I hope that helps. Thanks, bye.